I love taking pictures of everything when I'm on vacation, whether that be of fluffy clouds or subway rats. I love subway rats. However, sometimes there are pictures that I don't take. In March 2019, I visited Siem Reap, a city in Cambodia, as part of a high school field trip. I distinctly remember being upset that I didn't get to go somewhere cool, not this backwater third world country. One of our earlier stops was a night market. It was split across two sides of a river, with one main street and many side alleys, all lined with shops. It was bursting with tourists and local shopkeepers alike, a sparkling jewel in a sea of dark forest. As I walked by, there were so many things for sale: photo cards, fabrics, and elephant dolls. There was even a small area where tourists could dip their feet into a tank and small fish would eat their dead skin. In the midst of this novel experience, my friend Katie and I decided to explore the other side of the river. There were two wooden bridges that took you across, built in the style of the local Buddhist architecture with large, beautiful sloped roofs. But as we drew nearer, we realized that, unlike the shops that lined the streets, humans lined both sides of the bridges. I forget their faces, manner of dress, and colors. What I saw were disabled children, tired mothers, and missing limbs. I remember the start of the deafening wails, the shaking of plastic cups, and the pitched clink of money. Katie walked in front of me, her head down, short bob cut covering her eyes. As we passed each shrieking child, she shuddered out and, "I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry." When we finally passed over to the other side, perhaps I shook from head to toe, my hands gripping my wallet tightly inside my pockets. Perhaps I gazed up at the neon lights of the market, at the unseen tourists and shopkeepers alike, and wondered if that bridge was a realm that no one else could see. Perhaps I saw a vendor selling rolled ice cream and immediately ran towards it with my back to the bridge. I took many pictures on that trip, of my classmates' smiles, lush greens, rolled ice cream. I did not take a picture of that bridge. My camera roll is empty. Instead, the picture burns in my mind. But what would a tourist know? What would a tourist know?